Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I've got the Rassenti Satori here with me for a quick maintenance video. We're gonna try to improve the action of this guy, but hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So let's get started. This shouldn't take long, guys, because of course Rassenti, master of integral knives, he's making the maintenance process like a breeze, because yeah, you're gonna basically need a T15 Torx bit screw like that, and because this is integral, you just need to unscrew one screw, just push the pivot out, and you are done. Just make sure, actually we can just do like that, exactly, to break the detent, like so. Just push this out. Look at this, you are done. That's it, there's nothing to do. We're gonna actually change the pocket clip too. We're gonna put this Adam Purvis Damascus clip instead of the regular one. We're just gonna use this alcohol swab just to clean the inside. Like, let's do it like that. And it's pretty clean. There's like really not many parts involved, but you see, you have to keep it clean to avoid rust, and keep it oiled, because you don't want this beauty to rust and you want it to shine. So that is really cool blade, guys. Very nice bearing size, look at that, stainless steel caged. And here we can just jam this alcohol swab inside and just use like a Q-tip and push this guy around. So we're gonna be able to really clean the inside like that. So there you go. Yeah, that's fine. So this is ready to rock and roll. We're gonna actually maybe clean also this side of the pivot like so. Very good, guys. And it's pretty straightforward. So we're gonna use 10 weight nano oil for the bearings over here, and that is one, and over here, just like so, and that is two. Keep it pinched, disengage the lock bar, jam this guy in, close the nano oil 10 weight, and just this guy can be in from this side over here. Pivot, we are going to use a little bit of blue Loctite, like so, just like that. Beautiful. Like in. I think, by the way, guys, these are Zirk screws. This is a Zirk pivot, it looks like. So let's see. Ooh, it needed some oiling for sure, guys. Ooh. Oh, there's not even any oil in the, there's no blade play. Guys, look at this. This is a definition of guillotine. Look at this. This is gonna chop your fingers, so just be careful, pay attention. Look at that action, guys. Crazy. And we still need to add a little bit of see, just a little dab to have it even smoother. That is crazy, the action on this guy. Ooh, look at that. It's insane. The blade is thick, it's heavy. It just wants to fall shut. Let's just swap the pocket clip. I think this guy is a T10, correct? Oh, actually no, actually this is a T8, T9, it's T8. Yeah, T8, 1 and 2. Very, very solid screws. We're gonna add some color over here. And by the way, guys, look at Peter Rassenti, how, you know, this is his logo. It's placed in a subtle position right underneath the clip. It's just cool and unobtrusive, so the look overall is kept clean, kind of like sterile, and I love it. It's just a beautiful knife. So this is in. I'm gonna just give a little tightening like so. Very cool. Look at this. Nice, very springy, nice and shiny, some color. This is a beast, guys. This is a beautiful, beautiful knife. Would you look at that? That's perfect. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.